Hello viewers, welcome back. Today I will show cool affordable tools you must have to make your life easier, be it an all-in-one adjustable wrench or a digital tape to measure any shape or even a high-performance impact diver kit. I will provide all of the info here. If you are first time visiting our channel, be sure to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do you ever wonder how irregular objects are measured? This 3-in-1 digital tape will solve the problem to measure all kinds of objects. It is perfect for curves, measuring rooms, furniture, or irregular objects. It features 3 different modes: roll mode for curved surfaces or irregular objects, flex cord mode to measure around objects, and laser mode for long and hard to reach areas. Now you don't need to guess your measurements. This all-around tape measure is equipped with a precise, easy-to-read digital LED display. This simple adjustable wrench will be your must-have item in your tool set. This wrench easily adjusts to cover 16 sizes. With this short rubber handle, you can just squeeze and turn the bolts easily. It distributes equal force on all sides of bolts and will not slip, strip, round off fasteners, or bust knuckles. This item just costs around $26, definitely worth the price. Now you can be always sure to hang your picture frame straight for the first time. Designed to make the process easier, the Hang-O-Matic measures, levels and marks the wall at same time. It is quite easy to use. First, align the tool's 2 pointers with the 2 anchor points on the back of the item you wish to hang. Next, level the Hang-O-Matic at your chosen height and press on the wall. Finally, use nails, screws or hangers to mount. This all-in-one tool is compact and portable, collapsing down to 9 inches for easy storage. The tape measure also expands up to 6 feet, allowing you to hang larger items with ease. This high-performance 4-pole copper motor delivers 1,600 pounds of maximum torque and 4,000 BPM of impacts to meet efficient fastening tasks and a large range of applications. Help to tackle screw-on wood, plastic, and metal with great ease. The speed trigger offers easy control of speed adjustment from 0 to 2,900 RPM. The harder you press, faster motor spins the driver shaft, which allows you to change the most optimized speed for different applications. This set can be a nice gift for any handyman. Do you always lose your tools or have difficulty in organizing them? This tough professional electric tool pouch holds your essentials: handy flashlight or large tool sleeve in well manner. It has different carrying options like padded shoulder strap, tunnel loop for belt access, or padded handle. Its ballistic poly fabric includes reinforced edges for extended use and wear. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.